Hey y'all, welcome to Taco Tuesday and the option updates for February 28th. And then I'm going to share the month end review but even though I already shared it, this is the true month end review, I guess. Real quick, 3 trades that I did. I had a question yesterday that I thought was really good. Joe Zip asked, what do I do? Do I try to get 50% of the premium? Because I close a lot of positions early. I typically don't let positions run till expiration. And it's actually a very difficult question to answer. The answer to the question is it depends. It depends on how much I have on. It depends on what's going on with that stock. It depends on what's going on with other stocks that are expiring. Depends on how much stuff I got in the money. Depends on what I feel the market's going to do. All that stuff, right? So there's no harsh or hard rule for that. It just, I know that's a horrible answer, but it depends. And a couple of trades here are going to highlight what I mean, okay? Because I did kind of some defensive moves here. They're not really defensive, but sorta. So real quick, 3 trades, 3 closing trades today. One was PayPal, and this is what I'm talking about defensive wise. Yes, it expires on the 3rd, which is this Friday, but I closed it today for 82 cents and profited 20 bucks. That's only like 20% of the premium that I collected. Matter of fact, let me close these fees because that always gets me. Where the heck? How do I hide that column? Oh, hide column. I guess that's right where you say. And then when we go to the opens, you'll see what I mean. TNA, that's the 3X leverage Russell 2000, closed that for 51 cents. Got over 50% on that one. Got 67 bucks there. Closed that one. And then TQQQ got 53 cents. That was less than 50%. Got 30 bucks there. So total profit for the day, 117.73. And then we go to the opens. We'll come down here to the opens and we'll see. We'll start with TQQQ. So what I did was, because that, let's go back up real quick. Because that expired on March 17th, I wanted to move that date out because I have more stuff that is being challenged on March 17th. So I wanted to move out of that date. Okay. So I sold TQQQ. I just moved it to March 31st. Sold the 20 strike, same strike, got 90 bucks for that. Okay. And then PayPal, there's the other defensive move. Remember I was talking about the chart on PayPal, how there's a gap, and PayPal's kind of testing that a little bit. Okay. So I moved it from, March 3rd, which was its original expiration, right? We'll go here to PayPal. March 3rd is the original expiration. And I moved it out to March 31st, but I also lowered the strike from 74 to 70. If you remember, if you follow along daily with these updates, you remember I said 70 is a better position. So I moved it from 74 to 70, collected $153 for that one. And then I also did Camping World. This is a position I own that I'm long in. I did the 21 strike out to March 24th and got 55 bucks for it. So those were the trades. So real quick, we'll look at premium cooking. I'm just shy of $2,300 in premium cooking. And for the total month of total month of February, we realized $2,396.79 in premiums. Now, real quick, we'll do the quick view. Whenever you see red in here, Google's doing its weird update, so some of these prices aren't right. You'll see on the 17th, March 17th, reason why I moved some of those out is because I have a whole bunch of stuff that I'm going to need to manage. Okay. I have Jeppy, which I would take anyway. I have Google at a 95 strike on the 17th. So I'll have to manage that. VIX, I'll have to manage that one. I'll probably roll that one again. And then New Tech, that one crashed today. I'm probably going to take those shares. And then MPW, I'm probably going to take those shares. So that's what I mean by it just depends. Okay. And it usually boils down to what do I got going on, in the future, right? And can I get away from it or move it off into a later date so I can deal with it later? Like Google, I'd probably roll that down to 31 days expiration and possibly get down closer to the current price, that type of thing. So it really all just depends. So what do I have closing this week is Kroger, pretty close to the strike price. Probably not going to do anything with it. I'm kind of confident that Kroger's not going to hit 42 by this Friday. So that's really all I got to deal with. So everything else, we'll just have to manage when we get there. So I'm working on tomorrow. I'm going to share my core income portfolio. I'm putting that together here. So we'll get to see, the beginning of the month, how the portfolio starts. If we do any buys, I'll have to figure out how to add that in and figure out what I do for the month. But yeah, that's it. Taco Tuesday. Hope you guys enjoyed. We'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye-bye. I am not a financial advisor. The information contained in this video is for entertainment and informational purposes only. It is not intended to be investment advice. Please seek a licensed professional for any investment, tax, or legal advice. Thank you.